Hello, my name is Habib, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle.
This is the approved used Audi Q5 Edition 1. This model has a 45 TFSI engine, S-tronic gearbox, and Quattro 4-wheel drive system, while is finished in the optional metallic Glacier White paintwork. Under the bonnet you'll find the turbocharged 2-litre petrol engine, producing 265 PS and delivering 0 to 60 in just 6.1 seconds, while also delivering an impressive top speed of 149 miles per hour. Starting at the front of the car, we have the striking matrix LED headlights, providing high quality illumination. Around the side we have the 20-inch 5V-spoke star design alloy wheels with red brake calipers, while there's black door mirrors, window trims and roof rails for a sleek yet stylish look, with the rear privacy glass ensuring extra security for your rear seat passengers. Around the back we have LED rear lights with dynamic indicators, as well as a power-operated tailgate, allowing easy access into the 520-litre boot space, which can be extended by folding the rear seats down to 1,520 litres, so you can add in those larger and longer items, such as flat pack furniture. There's also the optional folding Towbar, which can access via the button within the boot, allowing you to add in those larger items, such as a caravan or even a bike rack if you'd like. Moving inside, you'll find fine nap leather upholstered rear seats with the integrated ISOFIX child seat mounting points, while there's a fold-down armrest with 2 inbuilt cup holders, as well as climate control and 12-volt power socket. In the front you'll find a flat bottom 3-spoke leather multifunction steering wheel and piano black inlays, while there's fine nap leather upholstered front sport seats, which are not only plush but also really comfortable and supportive, especially on long journeys, while they're electrically adjustable and include the 4-way electric lumbar support. Ahead of you you'll find the 12.3-inch virtual cockpit with various display options, including DAB digital radio, telephone equipment for your connected device, as well as navigation with 3D mapping, while with click view you can change the size of those dials. As standard, we have the 10.1-inch MMR navigation plus display screen, with functionalities including DAB digital radio, media controls for your connected device, telephone equipment for your connected device, as well as navigation with 3D mapping. There's Audi's smartphone interface, allowing you to connect your device media via wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. There's Audi's Drive Select, allowing you to alter the driving dynamics by choosing one of the predefined modes, with our personal favourite being dynamic as it's most driver focused. There's the extended LED interior lighting pack, not only with predefined colour modes, but also 30 different colour options, so you can customise the interior to your preference. While there's also the rear camera with Parking System Plus, adding front and rear sensors, and rear dynamic guidelines for reassurance when parking or navigating through tight spaces. Lower down you'll find the display for the 3-zone electronic climate control, with plenty of adjustment to your preference, while there's heated front seats for the added benefit on those cold winter mornings.
This vehicle will come with a minimum 1 year's manufacturer's warranty, 1 year's roadside assistance, and much more. For more information, please contact us on 01772 911 331 or inquire online now.